Incoming House Speaker and incoming Senate President are sending a message to Governor Charlie Crist. Today, the legislative leaders in waiting announced their plans to call a special session to override 9 bills Crist vetoed before the election. As Whitney Ray tells us, now that the GOP has a majority in both chambers, little stands in their way.
Fresh off an election that gave Republicans a supermajority in the House and Senate, the men slated to take over the two chambers are wasting no time.
Today, I call this legislature the do-nothing legislature.
Independent Governor Charlie Crist beat up the GOP this spring, vetoing 18 bills. Now incoming Speaker Dean Cannon and incoming Senate President Mike Herodopoulos have the numbers to override those vetoes.
These are great public policies that pass with overwhelming majorities, and they're good ideas.
Cannon and Herodopoulos will take office November 16th, immediately call a special session, and ask the legislature to override 9 vetoes in one budget item. Most of the bills on the agenda passed with little contention. But while the more controversial issues are off the table for the special session, when lawmakers meet again in March for regular session, anything goes. That means another attempt at merit pay for teachers and mandatory ultrasounds for women seeking an abortion could be pushed through. Crist vetoed both the items this past spring, but the governor-elect is more likely to sign off on the measures. Opponents of the ultrasound bill hope GOP lawmakers are too focused on jobs to tackle social issues.
Of course, our argument has been, and it remains through the next legislative session, that the #1 priority for Floridians and for this incoming legislature should be focused on jobs and the economy.
And with 1 million people out of work and a governor-elect promising to create 700,000 jobs, the economy will demand a lot of attention. In Tallahassee, Whitney Ray, WPTV News Channel 5.
The budget item the legislature will take up is a $10 million allocation for Shands Hospital in Gainesville. The money will help uninsured children and will also pull down matching federal Medicaid dollars.